Hello students, today we will start the second lesson electronic spreadsheet. So, I already explained that what is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is nothing but arrangements of rows as well as columns, right. So, rows as well as columns, the arrangement of rows and columns called spreadsheet. Okay. So, intersection of rows and columns called cell. Okay. These are the columns, right. So, these are the columns. There are 10,384 columns are present, and rows means 10 lakh 48,576 rows are present. See here, for example, here this is the row 1, column A, right. So, press control down. See here 10,48,576. Okay. Again control up arrow mark, press that one, it will come here. Okay. So, these are the spreadsheet. Why we are using spreadsheet means, so information is not always in words, right. So, information it can be include numbers, figures, calculations. So, like that for using numbers, figures, calculations, for example complicated calculations, for that we need a special software that is called spreadsheet. Okay. Let me check whether it is recording or not. Yeah, it is recording. Okay. So, that is why we need a special software called spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is a computer application. Okay. Computer application that consists of multiple cells organized in the form of rows and columns, So, that is why arrangement of rows and columns called spreadsheet. Each of these cell can contain alphanumerical values. For example, alphabets we can use and numbers we can use. Okay. So, like that we can use. So, I already told that spreadsheet is a large calculator which is used to perform simple as well as complicated calculations. That is why we are using spreadsheet. Here Apache OpenOffice Calc we are using. Okay. I addressed here. So, this is the title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar, and again format bar, status bar. Here also status bar is there, and the number of sheet is nothing but one page. Okay, sheet is nothing but one page. Spreadsheet or worksheet, it is also called as spreadsheet, worksheet, and group of these three sheets called workbook. Okay, number of sheets called workbook. Why we are using this spreadsheet means, what are the features means, autocomplete I explained in class also, autocomplete, selections, ranges, and arithmetic operations we can perform. So, if I want to perform any arithmetic operations in spreadsheet, first we have to start with is equal to only. Okay. So, in for example, in arithmetic operations we can use 2 plus 2, that is equal to, right. So, but in spreadsheet we can start with 2 plus 2. So, here 2 plus 2, it is not the 2 plus 2, here we are giving here see, this is the formula bar, this is called name box. Name box, it will always gives column name as well as row name. That means this is the column header, right. So, column header and the row header, right. So, that is why it will give like this, clear. So, see here, this is the 4, right. 2 plus 2, there are 3 ways to perform arithmetic operations, is equal to 2 plus 2. So, we can use is equal to sum, and within bracket we can give the value. Okay. We can use sum, multiplication, averages, and minimum count. So all arithmetic operations we can perform. Okay, clear? So here I want to delete the contents. For deleting the contents, select, press delete, delete all contents. Yes, okay, yeah, I will delete this also. Enter. Okay, so in your 10th syllabus, okay, in your 10th syllabus in electronic spreadsheets there are 4 sessions. Session 1, analyze data using scenarios and goal seek, and second session is link data and spreadsheet. Third one is share and review a spreadsheet, and fourth one is create and use macros in the spreadsheet. Okay, first we will see analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. So before going to that, first we will study consolidate data and creating subtotals. Then we will move to what if scenario. Using what if scenario, how can we perform the operations? Sorry, goal seek and solver we are using. So 5 steps are there. First one is consolidate, second one is creating subtotals, third one is using what if scenario, fourth one is using goal seek, and fifth one is solver. Okay, so first we will see what is consolidate data. Okay, consolidating data. So this is called consolidating data. So if I want to adjust the column, we can use this, right? I already explained this in the class. So consolidating data. So consolidating is nothing but combining worksheets. Okay, combining or merge of information. Clear? So combine a number of things into a single. And that means consolidate provides a graphical interface for copying data from one range of cell to another. So during consolidate, what we will do, the contents of cells from several sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, from several sheets or several tables, we can combine in one place. Okay, for example, here I am taking 3 tables, right? So here this is the 2009, 2020 and 2020 total. So here see, this is the table, right? This is the table, name, maths, science and English. So 2009, this is essay 1, I thought that. So I will give the name, that is essay 1 for Gopal, Naveen, Seema, marks. Okay, so in 2009, name of the students Gopal, Naveen, Seema, and they got marks. So obtained marks are maths, in maths they got 89, 92 and 85. Science, so like this, this is essay 2. Okay, essay 2. So here see, here total marks this is, that means essay 1 plus, essay 1 essay 2 is equal to total marks. Okay, so for that what we have to do, so we have to use consolidate. Consolidate is nothing but combining number of things into a single, right? So like that, consolidate, that means it gives data from multiple sheets into one sheet. Okay, so that's why we are using this, inserting 3 tables here. I have given name, that is SA1, SA2. So I want now total marks for Gopal, student Gopal, and Naveen student, and Seema, right. So for that what we have to do, first we have to select this table. See the first experiment, this is select the table. Here name box is there, no, give that SA1, okay, and enter. So see, this is name, give name SA1, okay, and come here, give this name as SA2, sorry, SA2, select cell, right. Next come here, total marks we know, we want to know, right, final answer. So I will give the name final, okay. Let me check first, is it within SA1. Wait a minute, otherwise I will give the name, it will not take the name SA1. So I will take this as a set1, okay, set1, okay. Then again I will come here, so this is, I will give this name as set2, okay, enter. Then I will check once again this, I will give this as a what final answer, okay, final marks, final marks, okay, final marks. So next what we have to do, here in the menu bar, go to data, okay, click on data, first click data. So in this see this drop list, it will come here, consolidate data. Here I want to perform this dialog box, it will come. In this function I have to perform, what I have to perform. So this is set SA1, okay, SA1, this is SA2, right. So here function sum, here I want to perform arithmetic operation, that is sum, adding the numbers, right. So next I have to write consolidation range. See here source data range will come, see, click here, set1, add, right. So it will come, it will come here, see, consolidation range, and again set2, it is selected, right, add, clear. Then again I want to copy the result, right. So here come final answer, okay. So then it will come here, we will see the change, see, it will come 89 plus 85, we will see here 80, okay, do not worry about that. C is equal to sum of open flower bracket, select this, colon, select this, close, enter. Wait, something happened wrong here. 89 and 85, it's not 27, right? Is equal to, select the cell, okay, C6, press plus, and again this 174, see 174 it will come. Let me check whether it is recording or not. Yeah, it is recording. Clear? Again see SEMA, in English SEMA, in SA1 obtained marks are, obtained marks 97, right? Shift plus, then again 83, enter, 180, see here, okay. This is the consolidation of data, okay. So I will explain once again. I will delete this, okay. See what we have to do. Here I want to perform the total marks of the student, right? Here I want to create total marks of the student. So Gopal, Naveen and Seema. So I have given the name set, right? Set 1, and this is set 2, and this is final answer, final marks. Clear? See here I selected this row, and here in name box I have given name set 1, right? Okay. Then again here select this, select this cell, okay. I have given name set 2, and again see here select this table, I have given name final marks, right? So here after that what we have to do, go to menu bar, in this data, consolidate, see delete this, select and delete, okay. So here consolidate dialog box, it will come, function I am using now arithmetic operation, that is sum, right? So what will happen, so this is set 1, set 2, right? So go here, source data range, set 1, add, then it will come here, okay. Again source set 2, add, it will come. Then so I want to copy the result here, okay, copy the result where, in final marks, then add, okay. See now it will come here. If I want to change here, so 97, if I press 97, see, wait, this is the 180, right? If I change this as this 83 into 85, next what it will give, again we have to go to consolidate, right? So this is the first experiment, this is the first experiment, okay, of your second chapter.